great, I got you in the middle of it. We're going to start out with installing some memory in a used computer, and the first thing is unplug the power and then open the case up. And inside the computer you'll find a couple of slots for memory. This one happens to have these two devices right here. That guy and that guy, those are memory chips with heat spreaders on them. They have little white tabs at the edge, like let's see, I can't see that one right there and there, and those are used to both pull the memory out and they snap back in once the memory comes in. Pushing down on those two, of course this is going to be blurry, but pushing down on those two actually pulls the memory out of the socket, and you can see as you lift the memory out of the socket there's a bunch of pins down there, and there's a bunch of pins on the bottom of the memory chip itself, and those gold pins there's a key in it, that little indentation right there that makes it so that it has to go into the right slot the right direction because it matches up with that little key right there. And so you can't really put the memory in backwards, but you do have to make sure that it's in the right direction.
Usually the writing is on, or stickers on the front side, which you want to...
Alright. I've seen memory stickers on all kinds of stuff both ways. So if you have to pull the other memory out, which you shouldn't in this case, you can just pop those two little white things. Make sure that they're pushed out of the way, so that when you put the next piece of memory in, you can, it doesn't get in the way. Pull the other memory out of the box. Make sure that it's matching up in terms of which way. Don't touch the little gold connectors.
As I'm doing.
Yeah. So he's lying to you. That's what I was thinking, is they could go on either side. In this case, the label on these is on the other side. Line it up into the slot on both ends. Make sure that it sits in there properly and that it doesn't look funny. Wow. Zooming in and making it completely out of focus. Make sure that it's in the two slots, and then you have to push down, and you can see pushing down on both ends. It's pretty hard. It's harder than you'd think. But when it snaps in, that little connector right there does actually snap into place. So now we'll open the other one. Make sure that it's lined up properly, and you'll see that little clip snap into place. So both of those should be snapped in, and once they're both snapped in, both of them look good, you're ready to go. You can put the cover back on and plug it all back in and power it back up. Well, if you can put the cover back on. Oh yeah, you can put the cover back on after all. Alright.